tomorrow morning. Get well soon, Cristobal. We'll be at school. Yeah, whatever. Just leave me alone with my laptop. No, I don't think it's fair, Oliver. What's not fair? You know, Cristobal gets to stay here and play with her laptop while we go to stupid school. Now that you mention it, it's true. We should go tell Mom. Agreed. Mom, Dad, we have something to say, and it's very not fair. What is it? First of all, why are you standing up on your bed? Second, I don't think it's fair. What's not fair? You know, Cristobal didn't get that hurt and she can go to school. But she's not. She's playing with her laptop. Yeah, and it's totally not fair. Okay, first of all, mind your own business if I stand up on the bed. Second, maybe she got a little memory loss. Oh, I don't think she got memory loss. She remembers everything on her laptop. Yeah, totally. Kids. You only have school today and tomorrow, so it won't be a problem if she missed, 2 days of school. Yes, it is. We have to study, and we have a quiz. About what? Our big test tomorrow. We have a test tomorrow? We have a test tomorrow? I didn't study at all. I'm so scared. What a coincidence. You didn't study. Okay, kids, you better go to school. You're gonna be late. Why is Dad still asleep? I don't know. He's kind of tired. Okay, kids, go to school now. Okay, bye, Mom. Bye, Mom. Hey, tell Dad that we said goodbye. Yeah. Okay, kids, bye. Bye. Yeah, I scored again. I'm so awesome at this game. I will beat you, stupid dinosaur. I know. Mateo, what in the world are you doing? I'm pretending I'm dead. But you're still talking, so that isn't deadness. Since what do you care? Anyways, I have some serious jobs to do. What's the serious job? Just watch and learn. Yeah, I love watching knives. Come on, yeah. Kill him. That's a solo serious job. Oh, I got bored. What should I do now? No. Can you help me? I got nothing to do. Sorry, can't help. Just the director. Fine. Honey, wake up. Come on. It's 9 o'clock already. Wake up. Fine, I'll wake up. Do you want something else? Yes. I want you to tell me what's the matter. Maybe I don't want to, okay? Leave me alone. After a nice cup of tea. Man, I feel much greater now. Hey Dad, I got nothing to do. That's why you go to school, honey, because you have something to do. Man, I guess staying in chips is lame. Hey director, can we end this movie? Sure, why not? Oh, and you better change the title. I'm a total idiot. Goodbye everyone. I hope you enjoyed my film. A great day. Actually, it wasn't a great day. Anyways, a day at the new pool. It wasn't a day. It was just 2 minutes, but whatever. I hope you enjoyed, and please, you know, comment or stuff. Please do not comment insults, because I don't read insults. Goodbye.